Righto, g'day folks, Wildman here. We've got a rainbow bee eater in the cab with Gus here. G'day Gus.
Hey guys.
I don't know what's going on with this little fella. Is he stunned or is he just escaping the heat? What's going on?
I think he's escaping the heat, mate. Aircon's on.
Bloody believe he's trying to steer the bus, look. Don't worry Gus, I'll take it from here. Unbloody believable. Should we try and put him back outside? Put him on your finger, see if he'll just hop us. There you go, look at that. I'll just chuck this here. Well, mate, I'll take you back over to the bush. Come on. You gonna get on or what? There you go, mate. Alright. Let's take him over and put him on a branch, eh? Yeah, mate. Yeah, this is absolutely bloody incredible. Alright. Let's put it over here. Alright, hop on the branch. There you go, mate. There we go. Isn't that absolutely incredible?
Have a good day, guys.
Cheers, mate. Really just trying to cool down.